AWeber sending messages honest review, watch before using. Welcome to the video where today we'll be diving into AWeber and giving you an honest review of its message sending capabilities. Be sure to check the description below for links to the product and more details. AWeber is a powerful email marketing tool primarily designed for small businesses, entrepreneurs, and digital marketers who need an easy way to send and automate email campaigns. One of its standout features is the drag and drop email builder, which makes creating professional-looking emails simple, even for beginners. The platform also includes robust automation tools, allowing you to set up triggers that automatically send messages based on user behavior. Whether it's a welcome email, a birthday greeting, or a follow-up sequence, AWeber's automation takes a lot of the manual work off your plate. Another great feature is the extensive email tracking and analytics. AWeber provides detailed reports on open rates, click-through rates, and even subscriber engagement. This allows you to make data-driven decisions, optimizing your future campaigns for better performance. You can also segment your email lists, which helps you target specific groups of subscribers with relevant content. AWeber integrates with various third-party tools, including WordPress, Shopify, and social media platforms, making it a versatile choice for businesses across different niches. The service also offers a free plan, which is great for beginners, although you may need to upgrade as your list grows or if you need more advanced features. So who is AWeber for? It's ideal for anyone looking to streamline their email marketing efforts with ease and efficiency. Whether you're new to email marketing or an experienced pro, AWeber offers a solid platform that scales with your needs. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps others find useful information just like this. Thanks for watching.